Well, good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, replay viewer. Thank you. Today we're covering all about Facebook Live's new features, and we're just going to have some fun today. We're just going to have a little bit of fun, and I'm going to show you that it doesn't need to be all like serious, or it needs to be like, oh my gosh, like Facebook Live, I'm in front of a whole bunch of people. No. We're going to totally smash that idea today. And today's topic is the new Facebook Live feature. So if you're watching live, type an L into the comments, and if you are a replay viewer, type that R. All week we're covering Facebook Live, mastering Facebook Live inside of the event. And if you are not familiar, if you're not signed up for the event, it's a completely live online event via this particular event right here. And you'll be able to watch this video plus all the other videos that I have microcast this week inside of this event. Hey, Leah Ray. So, also, if you've been getting value out of these videos, please do me a favor and share the video. When you share the video, it helps others find tactics just like this so that they can learn more about Facebook Live, and not just Facebook Live, but about how to promote and attract people to their message organically, okay? So who am I? If this is the first time that you have been introduced to me, all right? If you're seeing this, who's this crazy guy with blonde hair and a dark beard? Well, my name is Ben Perry, and I am the creator and founder of Organic Facebook Secrets. It's a online Facebook community called Organic Facebook Secrets, where we help people increase their actionable organic engagement. All right, so without further ado, if you want to hear, right, the first topic that we have here, okay, what's the number one way that you can stand out on Facebook Live and ensure that people stop scrolling when they see you in the newsfeed, okay? And that is Facebook Skins. So let me turn on the Facebook Skins. So if you are live, you're going to look in, and if you're on an iPhone, I can't speak for Android, so Android users, I'm sorry. That's just, I can't talk about something I don't know. So if you're on the iPhone, I have the phone split over to the left in a horizontal way. You're gonna look at the top left, and you're gonna hit the magic wand, okay? Now, if you don't already have these icons downloaded, then you're gonna have to click them and they'll download to your phone. I've downloaded these before, but I haven't really necessarily used it. So a couple of these new features, we have this little thought bubble, okay? Shake your head, no, or tap, all right? So just going through these, it's supposed to be like a little thought bubble. Then we have Jiffy Live. We'll have the Jiffy Live here. Whoa! Okay, wow, that's intense. That was intense, and it's very loud, seeing as I have the earphones on. So, live streamer, beware, beware, beware. All right, so we have this thing called Trip It. Oh, this is pretty cool, this or that, all right? So if you're asking a question and it's a binary question, would you choose this over that? Then you could type it in the comments down below. Then we have, now we're actually getting to, ooh, here we go, convince viewers which option is best when you're doing a this or that. Then we have the skins, all right? So we have the Mass Effect little helmet here. And then we also have, oh, it's the alien from Aliens. He's gonna bite me. That's funny. I believe that this turns me into a minion. This one's downloading here. There we go. Isn't that fun? I especially like, I like this one. I like Rocket from Guardians of the Galaxy. And this one makes me look like I am, what's that one guy? Mega Man. Minions So Me, yeah. And then we have this one. Oh, it's the Smurfs. So I would recommend downloading these before. Oh, here we go. This makes me Wonder Woman. I wonder if there's anything special if I do it with my hands. Well, I got the hair to match it. What do you think? Someone could take a screenshot of this. So pretty. Then, oh, fire. So all these AR. So this is called AR, right? Augmented reality. So you get to add all of these skins. Where's my favorite one? My favorite one is, it is the, here we go. This is my favorite right here. I think this is actually pretty close to what could be looked at as realistic in a almost creepy way, but I like it all the same. So yeah, using these different skins, you'll totally have people saying, what's going on in that live stream? All right. So there's that. There's also different filters. So you can put on the pop filter, put on the black and white filter, put on the country. We're on the country filter, the funk filter. This says acid filter, but I think this just makes you look like the Hulk. Turns everything purple and green. So let's just go back to no filter. Actually, the pop filter might be actually pretty cool. I might actually use this as a default because this is making everything pop. Then you have options to pick pink and I guess to write things. I guess I could write something. Oh, that's cool. Leah, do you see that? I wonder if, and then I can delete it. Oh, that's cool. So I could write, stop scrolling. That's fun. Oh, wait. Hey, that's pretty cool. What, don't you think? All right. So these are the new Facebook Live features. Okay. So what's also another really cool Facebook feature that's happened, that's come out? Well, now you have the ability to invite a friend onto your live stream. Okay. So if you have started your live stream via selfie mode, so if it's up and down like this but not to the side, then the people that you invite on will be this itty bitty speck, all right, on your phone. But if you want for you and the other person that you invite on to be side by side, then you have to go live via in horizontal landscape mode, okay, so that you both have equal screen share. Okay, yeah, I like that. I love that writing. So those are all of the features for that's on Facebook Live. Now, what could you do when you invite somebody on? You can interview them. You can just have fun and like just do a fun kind of thing with your friend where you guys have fun with an audience member. I know that recently I got to meet Donnie Wahlberg and Joey Fatone from NSYNC. I think Donnie Wahlberg was originally from New Kids on the Block. So I got to meet both of them. What's cool is that they could get onto a Facebook Live just like this, split the screen, and now you've got two celebrities that are just kind of hammering it up, right? So then, as a bonus for this video, all right, bonus for this video, what do you do, all right, when you run out of things to say? All right, I'm going to give you the exact thing that I do in order to help me prevent myself from ever running out of things to say. And if you do run out of things to say, then here's a little mindset shift that's going to help you. Okay, so if you find this valuable, okay, type a let's type a 3. Type a 3 into the comments because I think that this is pretty cool. I think a lot of people are going to really benefit from this. So, it is, well, kind of like right now, right? If I lost my train of thought, it's courage and vulnerability, all right? People want to see personality. They want to see that you're human. They don't want to see that you're like completely polished. I mean, yes, there's being completely polished and really practicing your craft, but if you legitimately have like a brain fart, and if you feel like, guys, I've run out of things to say, or I forgot what I was going to say. If you go first and you communicate that vulnerability, then people will love you for it, all right? What people don't like is when you try to cover it up. What people don't like is when it's obvious that you're sinking in a sinking ship and you're like, no, everything's fine. I've got all of my ducks in a row. Like, no, like people don't appreciate that. What they do appreciate is you saying, hey guys, this is some egg on my face. I just kind of forgot, right? So, courage and vulnerability are two sides of the same coin. You can't have one without the other. So by practicing courage and vulnerability every time that you mess up or whatever, then you just default back to that. Hey, I'm a human being. I'm learning just like you. I appreciate you for being on with me. I think that you're awesome. I think that this is great. And you might gain a fan for life. All right, so dude behind you was looking over like, what on earth is he doing? Yeah, hey Sergio, hey Lena. Hey, if you are enjoying this video, share this video, right? I would appreciate it if you share it. We've covered a couple of different topics when it comes to Facebook Live features. All right, we've covered skins. Maybe I'll do another skin here before I end the broadcast. We talked about inviting a friend on, okay? So I didn't talk about the tactics of how to do that, okay? So your Facebook Live, hey Enrico. So your Facebook Live, let's see those hearts and the likes, okay? Facebook really loves it, and the algorithm will show this video love, and it will show us love by sharing the hearts and the likes, and also sharing the video as well. Hey Aniro. So here's the deal. If you want to invite somebody on, you're going to have people on the bottom, the comments are here, but then you can slide over to the left and you'll see all the live viewers that you can invite on. So currently, right now, the only live viewer that I can invite on is Leah Ray. So I don't know if Leah Ray would be open to going live with me right now. Totally impromptu. She didn't know that she was going to get an invite. She might not be like camera ready, but if you were to invite somebody, then you just press their icon, and then they have a message that comes on their phone and says, yes, accept, go live with Ben Perry, and then now we would both be on one side of the screen and then the other side of the screen. Yeah, so Leah says, I'm not quite video ready. Yep, I totally get that. But that's the key, all right? And then you can have a live video between you and another person. All right, how's everybody feeling today? You guys been enjoying the Mastering Facebook Live events this week? If you are not familiar with what I'm talking about, all week there's an event going on called Mastering Facebook Live. I'll post it. I'll post the link to that video down below, I'll post the link to that event down below, and join that event, and you'll be able to see all of the videos that I've done up until this point, and you'll see the videos that are happening after, all throughout the rest of this week, right? So that you never miss another video like this. And it's not just Facebook Live. Facebook Live is what we're covering this week. But my name is Ben Perry, and I'm the creator and founder of Organic Facebook Secrets. And I'm constantly going live and talking to you and helping you increase your organic Facebook engagement, and helping you turn that engagement of likes, hearts, comments, and shares into cold, hard cash that's in your bank account. All right. Leah Ray says it's like 1,000,000 degrees here. Aren't we like neighbors? I'm in Orlando. Aren't you in? No, you're in Tennessee. That's right. I've met so many new people in the last couple of days that I'm like, oh wait, where's this person at? Where's this person? I'm just gonna take a seat here. So yeah, so that's the deal. I figured that I would let my hair down. You guys get to see my lovely locks. And that's what's up. So if you found, yeah, exactly, Leah. When you meet a lot of people, you want to, you don't want to, call them the wrong name, which Facebook really helps you out by having the person's name right there. But then like you don't want to mess up like the details of who that person is either. So anyway, if you found this video valuable, share the video. Thank you, Lena. I love this hair as well. This is a balayage ombre. I'm not ashamed to say that. I saw another lady have it. I said, I want to have that hairstyle. And so I went and got it done. If you found value in this video, share the video. Give me some love with some hearts and likes. And also, if you want to hear about the psychology of going live, stay tuned tomorrow, because tomorrow we'll be talking all about the psychology of going live and what it does to you and what it does to the people that are watching you. And I think you're really going to enjoy some of the insights that are going to come from that. Leah Ray says, 90% of my friends are in Florida. Hard for me to mess that part up. Well, I'm in Florida as well, so glad to be a part of that as well. So anyway, I'm Ben Perry, and this has been new Facebook Live features. Hope this has been of value to you, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.